My friends, I want to talk to you today about the floating profit of up to $634 that is going to be operating on autopilot. Okay, this is a big addition. Okay, $634 is not a joke. It's a lot of money to be added on top of whatever you've been doing, before this time. So if you are looking to earn automated $634, okay, remember this is floating profit, so it could be up to $634. All right, so let's get down to this video and let me explain what this is all about. So are you ready to walk away with a monthly floating profit of $634 on autopilot? In most cases, the answer I will get is yes. So let's be honest about this, right? The traditional housing market is a mess as it is now, right? Everybody knows this. If you are in the real estate, you should know this better than even myself recording this video. Between 6% mortgage rates, bidding wars, and 30-year debt, the dream of owning a property feels more like a trap. Okay? Traditionally, this is how we feel if we want to get a property. But in estate, we are doing things differently. Instead of the bank owning your future, you could own a piece of a 330,000 Villa Maui for just $4,950. But hurry and grab this Villa Maui right away before it is sold out. The properties in estate are getting sold out very fast. Okay, so I want you to strengthen your position by purchasing a fraction of this property. That will get you in. But the smartest buyers are securing multiple ownership of fractional real estate. If you are serious about having a consistent and reliable passive income from the rentals of tokenized real estate with Villa Maui property, or even just walking away with a monthly floating profit of $634, now is the time to stack up your tokenized real estate. Now remember that we earn daily passive income Mondays to Fridays, 5 days a week in estate. The profits or the income are fully automated. It is 100% consistent and it is open to everybody around the globe. So wherever you are, whether you are in Asia, you are in Africa, you are in Europe, wherever you are, you have the same equal opportunity to purchase a fraction of this Villa Maui. All right, I know the reason why I am specifically recording a video for this Villa Maui, because it is something that everybody in estate and those that are looking to join estate needs to get. For the fact that we earn monthly up to $634, and then average profit on a daily basis is up to $30, right? And then we can withdraw on a daily basis as well, because the minimum to withdraw in estate is basically $1. But if you are earning up to $30, which means you can withdraw your $30 every day if you wish. If you want to withdraw every 5 days after, then you will be able to withdraw every 5 days. If you want to leave it for every month, and you can withdraw every month and up to $634. But the good news is, instead of you to have the whole of the $330,000 to purchase this villa, you are only going to use $4,950 to purchase this property. So the question is, are you ready to walk away with a monthly floating profit of $634 on autopilot? If you are ready, let's dive right in and let me show you exactly what is going on here. So this is the back office of estate, where you are able to purchase a fraction of that tokenized property called Villa Maui. So if you have registered, you will have access to this profit calculator in your back office. Remember, you need to complete your KYC. Okay, so once you finish your registration, complete your KYC, and voila, you will see this profit calculator. Right here, you can choose whatever property that you want. but for the purpose of this video, I am concentrating on this Villa Maui, right? So if you click on it, you will notice that the profit calculator will even tell you, okay, the profit calculator will tell you how much you're going to be earning on a daily basis, how much you're going to invest as minimum to purchase a fraction of this property, and then how much you're going to be earning on a daily basis, and how much you're going to be earning on a monthly basis, and even your break-even point is 7 months time. All right, so right now, whole of the value of the whole villa is $330,000, but as you can see from here, the villa is now $314,473 already purchased. So it's not very much that is left. Okay, it's not very much that is left. So if you are ready to plug into this property, you are more than welcome to start today. It's only $4,950, guys. So if you want to see more photos about this property, you just click on see all photos, and right here you will see that they have about 50 photos here. So you can just click on each photo and then you will get a better view of the property that you are about to purchase a fraction of. This is really nice property, as you can see from here. All right, it has everything that a property is needed, but the good thing is this property is being used for rentals. That is what estate is doing, right? They purchase these properties, they use it for rental, and then we benefit from the rental profits that are going to be coming from there. They share and split the profit according to how much you have contributed in purchasing a fraction of this property. So it's a really good property, guys. Look at this, right? It is beautiful, right? So if you would like to earn up to $634 every month, then you should not hesitate to sign up, complete your KYC, and then of course, by all means, deposit your $4,950 and you will be able to earn exactly the amount of money on the floating rate that they have specified here. All right, so that's me. I just thought I should do a specific video for the Villa Maui that will give you a floating profit of $634 on autopilot. So if you are interested, this is the best time for you to plug it into this property and get going with this. Thank you, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next estate video. God bless.